kum shibenta ban pynshlur ki khynnah skul bot kum juru ki samla pule ki college prepare hapo ka jalla Meghalaya ka skul ba IIM kum shibenta jang jing rakhi ka jing dap khat san snam na do bala sangya ka house nam arjar pra ka IIM Shillong kala shim ya ka sin jam ban lech pen so thu shaki skul bot ki college hapo ka jalla bakim dei ban so shap teng ban wan pule ha katei ka skul ba kani kalawan hadin bau director jong ka IIM Shillong UDP Goyal menta ka sngi ulakhot ya ki nong elam ka senjuk ki nong senchar snong ka priu hinyo trap haringkat ki nong mikmat na po Shillong College Synod College but Father Richard Majau ubadeu secretary ka Education Commission Balang Catholic ki bala penlong ka jing emerging mod bak IIM kan yo bani trei lang hapo ka jalla Meghalaya ya kani ka jing lang bani emerging mod la penlong hapo ka conference hall jong IIM ha ka babun na ki rang ba snong ki badon hapo ka te ka senjuk pokon thop na do na riboy na jingtieng kum juru na West Khas Hills District kilai wan banya shim benta ha kete jinga emerging mod ha ka dinga sngi la yo banya kran bat ki wan banya shim benta ha kete jinga lang emerging mod ipakun thop yo ba RL bla ubri president ka senjuk ki nong senchar snong ka bri hinyo trap pakun juru ka Dr. E khar ko ngor ka bri ka principal jong Shillong College u Dr. Charles Ruben Lingdo associate professor jong Synod College but Father Richard Majau ubri secretary ka Education Commission jong ka Archdiocese Shillong
te nakaliang jongi gi bawan nila ai bon gi jingmut jing perkhat makin ya chakmat but artali ni kini ngan suban menta kawai kalong ba le se kila ban pelong ya ka coaching class na ka benta gitu gi kena ki bakwa ban le ka cap exam namar lada ka IIM kala ban pelong ya kani nisngo ba kan long ga jing rap shibun te kata ka jing ai jingmut ru kila pediang but kumbala ong imam i Dr. Kyrwoh principal jong ka Shillong College kinsa pen kre ka structured plan kumno kin panya chakman padla se kinsa shimru e kani ka suggestion ka baar ka long ka jing ajing mot ka long ba balei mo phi kum ka IIM phim adopt ru ya kini ki shinong gi jongi da ka badon ka village adoption program hilaban adopt da ka bastang ka wai ha Jingtieng Hills ka wai ha Kasil ka wai ha Kyrwoh Hills pidon kum ka IIM pidon ka sap ka phong jong kino hikai bero ki balaban keduk ya kita ki badunan do habaro kilya pidon ru igitu gi student ki balapas ki ba kloy ban yarap te kamdon jing e ban ya chakmat ti kita ki di jing ai jing mut ki jongi but let's say ni karman ma kini ki banai ki snam ki banwan ka IIM ru kala ban shimmi kini ban ya ki chakmat
ni skul kan begidan kum kini ki khlem le kum kini ka jaka hakab ai kum kini ki jang ki start but hot kalong challenging banwan puli ha kum kini ki jaka tangba ki khna jui ki ki khna ki start ni don ye ka jing kerman la da kitip ye kini begidan ye kini ki jing angut ban sung ban ong ni sala ban yo shibun ki khna ki ba pas na kum kini ki institute but kaban salong ru ka jing mantoy ya ye kari jungi na tai ki jai ban riu jungi but ni ngits kamba lumba ka ni ka sgi ka mangi yo ban wan hangi kan long ru ka lat na ka ban tai jungi ban yo ban matai lemi ki wei ki badan ye ka jang ni ban ki sprang haka puli ka dang le ka jungi
ko yang ai khubui ka sinjuk jangki rang pa shnong nol baki khat sang balang yeli kum ka principal jong Shillong College i Ruben apo sa college pa i brother apo St. Anthony's anya don lang hakane ka jing ya kendu kani ka school ba IIM ka jing ya kendu mata kasi kalong ka ba si so ba but namal ba kani ka jing ya kendu kalong kumno bangi tri lang ba kani ka IIM panwan rai ka jing men toy ki babun bai khna puli ni ko ngi nakaliang jong ki naka school ba na ki colleges ti ngala kham ngi kwa ban khamban pak IIM kan kanya tri lang ban ni ki colleges hakaliang ban hikai yaki ban train yaki ban yo ki kam ki jam ban train yaki ban face ki interview yaki soft skills yang pentip shangi ki program jo fina mata ki khynnah haki haka sing yaki kam ki jam la jong kum bakadon to ka set na pam tak ter de kum ju ru ong ba pentip ai jing tip shangi yaki training program angenya trailang pak IIM hakaliang bangin train ki nong hikai shangi ru aki khynnah jwi kanumlong bakut no step yaka yuji ndai bakin perkhat banang ki saprang katahi ka bang istna la bang iwan takat sni iso thu ba IIM ka dan hang ni la japala khat san snem ang ba kumangi kren hi ang ba nimda yo pa ta jingtip spangar komplej ko IIM ang iskem kani ka meeting mendakas ni ka pule ya kata kalenti ba IIM kan collaborate bat ki colleges badon ka Meghalaya amta ba ki colleges in rebat ki skul bahkan ya kan play lang ba ki Shillong bahkan ra ya ki jingman toy bahkan kan kata trickle down effect kan play bagi ni ki jingman toy kin ya itu sabaro ba kena juni kin yo kam yo jang bakin yo kijing baka rihi kan yo jang toy kira ka IIM kalau belak loy bang atrai kin sa kat kum kajing ya implementasi je kin sa wan right ka structured plan kamlong bakan sedang do mata tengah trai ka sawan ka kan kin hab ya work out kin hab ya sna ka plan ka di banlong ka ba kalong very structured kumno bakin move ya kin ya kijing ya implementan wan right kijing to kita ki bang stu tasi
jing penpau jong new director no do ka sni be keren ro kalong ba ulap dan ni la bun snap Henry ke pasngusi kalong ba kitrai snong kitrai muluk ki khynnah ki jong ni kimwan ban wat admission ni ti ka scholarship ru bon ki hapung phai no marundon bawan ti wat mentau snam ru ki don tang sangut ki tribals no north east but naka jela ke jungi don tang arngot ti kai ka bami nang ni kalong dak ba ngongo nak kalian bersenjuk marni nyemwan nak tak background di educationers but ni nak kalian jungi ni apat ka special invitation from Iva ban Kyrwoh ban don ni principal ka Shillong College i Father Richard Majau representing yaka institute yung Catholic institution borok koi but ni don nunggu ba ben bengo represent yaka Synod College ti nia wan ni ba ni yo pan snap yaka ba kini ki nong hikai nadu director yung ka IIM ki don banya thu ini bat ko kubor ko bentoy ini kalong ba ni nang pathat ba kani ka skul ba Shillong Mail tang ban pule tak baik bat ka jinglut ru ko bojor dan rain dapat semua ini ba sisen ba kila qualify ki students ya cat examination laki wan hang ne ka sponsorship like financial institution kalong sispa 100% but ndak la adap nang ni ka placement ya ki kamru ala ap lupa na lor kani ka IIM kakwa ban yasno ti bat ki dorbar snong bat ki skul bat ki colleges bat ka kloy ban le kini ki college ki skul hasor ne hanong kono ban le ban persku ban ai ya ka jing yarap ya ki ginong kendong ki khynnah skul nong kendong ban pynshlur ki haka pule ka dangle bat ia kitu kibala kwa ban sedang ban trailer kam lo jong kilat kelenti kumno ban penyo ka funds yaki kumno ban ai training yaki bat kadon kata ka sektor baki khot hapo ka ni ka institute jong ka IIM kade ka balong incubation period center ka baki hikai yaki eye training yaki khynnah ba kin pankre elade tingis nakaliang jungi pi hapo not easy de tang kani koi ka IIM kabadan hang ne habaro koi kari India kidon arhotuli kani kade kabonyo hot na po state ke jungi ni yo sngo bat ngi ina ka por bagi khynnah khasi jungi ki pass qualifying ke IIM either na Delhi, na Mumbai, na Bangalore, but na way. Kat bang nakala jongpat undon bawan. Henry lamba kani ka jingkhang ba play menta kasngi balaya thu do new director. Long ki kloy ban ai khti kamon ka khti ka diang ban yarap. Ya ki brio lo jong nongkong But ni sungu new director what do day bom day na kani ka jalla. Henry udon kata kejingkit kali ba balik trajala kemuan syakmat ti nakaliang kecungi nila ai gakti kamon gakti kadiang ya ka ni ke institute but small ikini ke laingot ke nang bak ni ba ki institutions ke bapher ba ikong nei la invite yaki father kumjo ba ben kumjo bakin one ki institute ke jongki bakin ai ke lectures ke jongki syaki khynnah skul ki khynnah college kumno ban batai yaki haganu kom ki kwa ban pensiun ngrem ke jingtieng lejong ban sedang ya ke kam lejong kumno ban teng ya ke pule dang le bat kadon ru ka wei ka snat ke ba kidang supeni menta bat kata kadai ka badai bat kanika a language issue ke bat ki hikai namenta ka ktin Japan but ka duration jong kata ka course kolong shipugna but kindala dep ya kata ka donru ka placement bakila ban trace po Japan but bun ki wei department support kan ka IIM ki play lenti kolong job oriented sisin bala dep nang nin ai training nang ni kinyo but ngi khmi lenti da ka jingwan jong ki ski institute ki ba pher na ru ki school sedu ki college kan ai bat kan play lat iki khynnah ki jongi bangim dei ban sngo do lat kut lat bangiwan niki yeng ki badok ki basdom niki jaka ki bukandom marhang ni ka IIM ka ong ba ka airu ya ka hostel facility ka balong free ki mahap kan sil ngai ni hab ban pen i bang ni long ki badon kata ka capacity bat ki wei pat ki student ha kada re India hibarok koi lebih kat ni ngut ki kena kasih ngila produce niki IIM ke bapher niki wei ki institute jong re India ni kwa bana kane kebadan hapo ka nongba ke jongi ka jela ke jongi ha kini ki sansnem ke banwan bengin i ba kimi diki phongot ki ba qualify ya kini ka IIM
Habaya kran baru DP Goyal upare director jong ke IIM Shillong Mail thu baka jingkhot na ka banta banya phliu jingmot bat ki noy alam ka sanjok kalong bakin yo banya trailang bat ki school bat ki college hapo ka jalla Meghalaya bot la pentep ru baki duna bha ki khynnah na po ka jalla Meghalaya ki buwan man pule ha kani ka jaka pule bat kumbalong mentau snam ki don tang san ngot ki riulum ki ba pule ha kani ka jaka bat na pedang gine tang ar ngot ki de ki samla na po ka jalla Meghalaya.
We are having 3 different programs, that is MBA, PhD and Executive MBA. But also we are having a centers, that is Center for Development of Northeast Region, and also Center for the Incubation and New Startups, also a Center for Dr. Abdul Kalam Center for Policy Research. So today we have just invited, requested all the Devashno people just to have some interaction dialogue with us so that we can understand their aspirations, their expectations from IIM Shillong. Because we are here and our students, they come through a very rigorous, tough test, and there are about 700 students. And our students and all faculty colleagues, they would like to contribute something for the development of this region. So we are just trying to understand their expectations from IIM Shillong. Also, we also wanted to give us our vision that how we are going to do in the next 2-3 years. Like for example, we would now like to be going to all the schools and colleges of this place so that we can really make them aware about that how admissions in IIM happens. It could be IIM Shillong or any IIMs because there are only 20 IIMs. Students of this place and from all the northeast region, they should know that how to enter IIM Shillong, because sometimes they think that it is only for the elite class or their fees is very, very high. But we want to dispel all such fears because anybody can join us but only need some guidance or some mentoring or some hard work. And so that's the reason why we would like to go to different schools and colleges just to tell them that how to prepare for this exam, how to get admission, and as far as fees is concerned, the loans are available. Anybody who is getting admission in IIM Shillong, the loans are available without any collateral. And again, our placements, as we know, that is 100%. It's very good placements, so it should not be a problem for anybody. So today we have just wanted to have a dialogue to understanding that what are their expectations and how IIM Shillong can really reach out to all these people in the community at large, and then see that how we can really contribute. This year we have got 12 students from all the northeast region, and 5 are tribal students. 2 are from Meghalaya this year, and 2 are from Assam, and 1 is from Agartala. So we want that in the next 5 years, number of students in IIMs, it should increase. So that's the reason why we have now taken up a project. Our Sadner, the center, would be taking up this project and would like to guide them, make them aware, and also would like to give them coaching, so that after some time, they are more and more students, they should be joining IIMs.
Also now, how many students have completed their studies from this institution?
Yeah, this is what I am just saying, that it was only that in the year, there are only 5 students so far that they have completed from Shillong, from Meghalaya. 5 students have already completed, and 2 students they have come this year after so many years. So this is what that it is a concern for us, that why students are not joining from this area. So that's the reason why we have just taken the support from the Vashno. They have assured us that in whatever ways that our students, because we want to send our students also to different region, just to understand the pain points of the people and then maybe some solutions for them. And they have assured us that we are there to support as far as this the vision of IIM Shillong is concerned. So I think that it is very useful and very fruitful outcome.